Las Piñas, Isa Botanica, Whitening Warriors. Also forward number 62, BJ Bercasio.
Short in the first try though.
As we see in our screens, no? Coach Winnie Arboleda, papatubo na ng box.
Really, seriously, how is Coach Winnie as a coach, by the way? Dun sa last na liga mo sa, you were carrying the San Beda banner, is that right?
Yan siya, no? Kung paano siya when he was a player, as a coach, talagang mapipilitan kang makinig kasi feeling ko pag nahuli niya ako hindi nakikinig, baka bigla na lang akong masapak ni Coach Winnie. Joke lang, Coach Winnie.
Hindi naman. Dalaten loses the ball, and this is what Bawan Cafe Uno needs to learn quick.
Shift.
The meantime, that corner three by Delaten did not hit anything. Meanwhile, good interior passing. The score is first quarter highlights. That spin move, wala. Pero the putback is good para kay Peter John Bercasio. And more highlights. Take a short break.
With the second quarter.
Oh, the ball fake. And wow, that was a lucky play if I ever saw one. And thanks to the effort of Peter John Bercasio several times in the recent past, no? And there you go, another put right from 14 up to 18. In the meantime, speaking of aggression, oh, what a move right there. Bercasio once again.
On score more, try to score more compared to his last game.
Oh, poor transition defense there by Bawan Cafe Uno and Coach Winnie Arboleda.
Saying that they can play naman man-to-man without any problems, but they still need to work.
Here he is right now, trying a three. Good line, but a bit short. Bercasio running the break. The runner, nilinis pa. And another defensive stop there by Isa Botanica. Cyrus finds Bercasio, who once again scores inside.
And Bawan has to.
That was way off by Ruedas. Cyrus driving and kicking it out. Corner three offline. And Bercasio once again inside. Time highlights between in this game between Isa Botanica Whitening Warriors of Las Piñas and Bawan Cafe Uno. And they're hit by Gian Casimiro. In the meantime, here are some stats for you.
And very noticeable. Aside from the field goal percentage of both teams, of course, Las Piñas.
Period. Saligo inside. Bercasio once again. Virtually unstoppable in the paint.
No.
Gutierrez with the rebound. Rejano did not find Saligo, but went to Bercasio. And
Remaining Las Piñas' offensive onslaught, as we see here in our replay, another fast break opportunity. And of course, si Bercasio, the recipient of a good pass from his teammates, finishing that play.
here, hindi ko lang masabi kung kaninong favor. Samantala, there he is, Jared Gutierrez with the rebound, and Bercasio. Oh, these two bigs will spell a lot of trouble para sa kanilang mga opponent. Lead is back down to 10. There's JB. Triple team. Bercasio. I thought he's gonna have another. Oh yes, he does. But good timing right there on Harrow, but left lane, no? Oh, that was rejected. Las Piñas still up 43-31 as we see that last play. JB Galang, the jumper, but Tristan right there to put it back. JB Galang back in the game. Finds Bercasio, and Bercasio automatic.
Masarap pasahan. Itong si Bercasio, no? Alam mo hindi ka papayain.
Right.
Dadami yung assists mo pag
Yes.
talagang sa kanya mo binigay. And yung pick and roll, that two-man game working to perfection in that instance. Good role, good recognition.
And the way PJ Bercasio moves without the ball is priceless, partner. No? I mean, he operates basically just 10 feet away from the basket, going from left to right, up and down, then finds himself open. Basta, also, good job on the guards by the guard. And they are doing well from the free throw line so far. Pero Cyrus Rejano just taking that ball away. Parang yung partner ko lang pag nakakakita ng milk tea. No?
Dalaten. So final free throw and a chance to cut it to 2.
Oh, he misses intentionally.
Of this game, it might have been a different story. But yung offensive rebounding and yung transition baskets and yung points in the paint ng Las Piñas were key to getting this victory here today. Now for Bawan, we understand kulang nga talaga sila sa players. So good job from some of their reserves in stepping up. But you have to do a better job of boxing out next time. All about effort na lang talaga yun, regardless kung sino yung nasa lineup ninyo.
And what a time to hit his free throws. That was PJ Berkas, player of the game, coming from Isa Botanica Whitening Warriors.
Well, for Las Piñas, no, it's definitely going to be Peter John Bercasio with 26 points and 13 rebounds, although it has been a total.
Mga kaliga, kasama natin ang ating player of the game na si Peter Bercasio with 25 points, 12 rebounds, and 2 assists from Las Piñas Isa Botanica Whitening Warriors. It turned out to be a very exciting game against the two teams. No? Matanong ko lang, bilang player of the game, ano yung pinaka naging motivation mo para maipanalo tong larong to?
Nakikinig lang po ako sa coach namin. Sinusunod ko po yung mga play. Nandiyo lang po.
Can you talk about your team chemistry? Kamusta naman ba ang team nyo during the game?
Ano po yun?
Team chemistry.
Yung pag-training po namin araw-araw, nakakabuo po ng team chemistry yun.
May mga gusto ka bang batiin o pasalamatan?
Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Lord dahil ibinigay niyo po yung panalo to sa amin. Kay Mami, kay Daddy, kay Tito, kay Tita, and sa mga coaches ko po, sa mga kaibigan ko po, dyan lang po.
Also, thank you to Don Benitos for providing a scrumptious Filipino delicacy to our player of the game, Don Benitos, ang pambansang kasaba. Mga kaliga, Peter Bercasio, our player of the game. Back to you, Eman and Kyle.